Hi, my name is Cardozo. I'll be performing a scene by Giovanni Ribisi from Boiler Room. Do you remember this day?
Yes, of course. I bought you that bike.
Do you remember what happened about a month after that?
All right, Seth, what is it? What do you want from me?
Do you remember when I broke my leg?
Yes, Seth, I remember when you broke your leg. What is it, Seth? What do you want? You were hysterical. I had to get you to stop.
My fucking leg was broken.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I couldn't get the job you wanted me to have. But I mean, who gives a shit? Cause I'm good at what I do, Dad. I'm good at what I do. And the casino, the casino was a fucking business, and I ran it pretty fucking well, Dad. And I didn't think I'd close it for you.
Wait. When did you close it?
And then I went after this job because I thought it was what you wanted me to be doing.
Seth, wait a second. When did you close it?
And I tried. I tried to make the changes that you wanted me to do. And I'm leaving JT now. I'm just asking for this one thing, Dad. Just this one thing. Please. Just to help your son.
I can't, Seth. I can't. I'm sorry.